Months after the Jamaica Amputee Football Association was formed, they are still struggling to increase their membership. They're now well below the number needed for both male and female teams and are now pleading for interested persons to get on board. Loraine Smith is the vice president of the association.
I believe it's difficult right now to get players because they're not aware. We're basically making history right now in Jamaica. This is the first ever Jamaica Amputee Football Association. And I don't believe that Jamaica know that we're here. So in publicizing this, getting this out, we are here to show Jamaica that there are individuals among you that can achieve what we have always thought that to be impossible, but also we're here to show the world that these men and women can play a game just like our able-bodied reggae boys, reggae girls, that they can kick a ball too and score. So we are appealing for anyone who is out there who has lost an arm or a leg to reach out, whether through your television station or even here at the cathedral at Bishop Blair, to make contact with us if you're interested in playing the sport, if you're interested in getting out of your home and increasing your ability to basically get fit and live the lifestyle that you want to, get out of your home. If you're feeling depressed, it is more than a sport. It is your ability to basically achieve what you've always wanted to achieve. What the game is going to be doing for you is improving your life, but giving you the opportunity to connect with others.
I would advise more disabled like me, whether man or woman, to come and join the team. We need about 12 more ladies who is disabled. So when you see this, I hope it inspire you to get on board.
And the corporate support isn't coming any quicker than the players.
That has been going slow because once again, I believe our businesses, our community doesn't know that we're here. So we would like individuals who believe that we're able to achieve this to come on board. Also, we're looking for board members who believe in the mission, who believe that they're individuals who are able to achieve to come on board and support us. We met with the JFF and we were asked the question, what do we need? And we said facilities. One of the issues is the transportation to get the team members to a better facility. And we want to be able to, when we leave here, I reside in the US, but when myself and Dr. Sorrells leave here, we would like for our local brothers and sisters to be able to assist our team. And if there are coaches out there who want to donate their time, we are saying, can you please help us to do that?
Loraine Miller, a former able-bodied footballer who represented Federal United, has come on board and quickly is making the transition.
It's a thing where you have to adjust yourself to. You have to get yourself in groove to really fit in this position right now, because it's very hard. Whereas on the one foot, you have to move around and try to get the ball roll, and you have to just try to do the thing perfect. You understand? So normally, it's very hard, and it's very cute about everything. Yeah, it's a good feeling. I need this opportunity to really put out what really in me. Although I've been putting it out from a past couple of years now, but now the time is the time now to shine the light. So normally it really motivates me. It really gives me joy. It's a friend of mine, a 1-foot youth by the name of Davian Gotchi. Real friend of mine. Himself downtown. Him really in the group, and him see the situation and him see me and him try to come over and suggest it to me, and I kind of understand the situation and I tell him I'm going to give it a try, and from the first day I give it a try, I never turn back.
And even when Miller lost his leg, he didn't believe it was the end of the road for him.
I didn't say that, because I love myself and I really have good hopes in me and good dream. And normally I know where I'm coming from, so there's a place where I'm going, so normally I never really have a doubt say this is the last. because my dream never die until me die. It's something where I really need, because I need to put the best out, because it's the best is in me. So I need to put the best out for my country, for my player, for the members of the staff around the team, and for my community and all of my friends and family. You get in a work, you have to work hard, you know, to get what you really want. You know that you really run, sweat if you really bust. You know, it's not an easy road. There are many rivers to cross. Every year is a river and is a bridge. So normally it's a fight, it's a battle. So we have to just hold a firm meditation, keep a firm heart and a firm mind towards everything what we're doing, and get it going on the board and make ball roll.
The females are now preparing for the Women's Cup of Americas, which will be held from May 25 to 31 in Miami.
We're very much counting on a side from Jamaica. We realize that every team is really in the process of developing, but the presence of Jamaica will have a huge impact on the Caribbean and the rest of our confederation. We're hoping that there will be, as Ms. Smith has just mentioned, we're hoping that there will be a groundswell of support coming from Jamaica, because we realize there's going to be ongoing opportunities and we want to have a sustainability base here in Jamaica. At the same time, we have the diaspora in Jamaican diaspora in Florida, even up the East Coast. We're hoping that they're going to get involved, and we're also making a strong fundraising effort on the Miami side, coupled with what we'll be able to generate from here in Jamaica. The primary cost is going to be the airfares, and so we basically airfares from here to Miami and back, and the fees to get the U.S. visas. Those are the main costs that we're looking at. We're finding sponsors for hotels and for food and this sort of thing in Miami. So it's really airfares and the U.S. visas, and of course some basic funding for transport and this sort of thing, so that the team can practice and train here in Jamaica before they go.
When we return, we hear of the highs and lows of Boys Town.